ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಡಿಯರ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಂಜುನಾಥ್. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ತೇಜು ಫ್ರೈಡ್ ಚಿಕನ್ ಹತ್ರ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತು ರಿವ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡೋಣ ತೇಜು ಫ್ರೈಡ್ ಚಿಕನ್. ಸೊ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು ನೀವು ತೇಜು ಫ್ರೈಡ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಥರದ್ದು ಫ್ರೈಡ್ ಚಿಕನ್, ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ, ಕಬಾಬ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ Nagarbhavi. So we can start the review now. As you can see, this is the menu of Teju fried chicken. There you can get salads, fries, popcorn, loaded fries, omelets, pasta, burger combo, burger. There are many combos here. English breakfast combo, grill wrap. Let's review this now. And sorry guys, the mic wasn't working, so we had to redo this. So as you can see here, this is the combo 1. They have chicken crispy and also chicken stripes. So let's try it. Now this is hot and also it is soft. Good guys, nice and juicy and crispy. So as the name says, it is a crispy chicken. So let's try the biryani now. So as you can see, we have KFC chicken also, and also authenticate Bangalore biryani also here. You can try this at one place. This is also awesome. And also let's try chicken burger.
Wow, that's good. It's really a big one. It is very nice. Very soft. As also you can see here, this is prawns ghee roast. This is one of the famous here in Teju fried. So let's try it out. Wow guys, this is also superb. It is one of the must try over here in Teju fried. We also have two sodas here, mojito and blueberry, and also you can find kebab, as you can see here, fried chicken. So guys, please visit Teju Chicken. It is a very nice taste, and also it is a great place to visit with family. Thank you for watching the video guys. I hope you liked it. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel so it keeps me motivated to do new videos. Thank you so much guys. Have a nice day.